Discover more about the Partner Programme in the Excel Encyclopedia. The Excel Partner Programme offers 3 levels of accreditation. Excel Cabling Partners and Excel Solutions Partners make up 2 levels of Installation Partner, whilst Excel Distribution Partner status is awarded to organisations outside of the United Kingdom who act as local support and service centres for Excel partners in their territories around the world. A prerequisite of Installation Partner status is training, and Excel offer a comprehensive online training course and assessment which needs to be retaken every 2 years. Once partner status is awarded, our installation partners are able to provide a comprehensive 25-year system and application warranty. This chapter of the Excel Encyclopedia details the features and benefits available through participation in the partner programs, together with the level of commitment required to achieve and maintain a particular level of partner accreditation.